We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I am back with a video. I am back with a video on my favorite place to shop at, you guys, Chanel. One day I will be able to get a bag from Chanel, but for right now we're just gonna go with makeup and perfume. But today I only picked up some makeup. Okay, so they have a new collection that's out, you guys, and I tried to find the name of this collection, and the only thing that I could find was, no, I'm not gonna find out what it was. Something about magnetic eyes, and I don't know, I just felt like I needed to have something in this collection. Now I will show you some other items that they had. They have two 4-pan eyeshadow palettes, and those looked okay. And they had four cream eyeshadow sticks, and then they had these two right here. These are the Ombre Premiers, and I got both of them, and so that's what we'll be talking about today, is these two. I got the Ombre Premier in Vert Metal number 836 and Ultra Flesh number 838. So let's go ahead and do some swatches of this and take some cute shots. They all come with this brush that's in a little sleeve. I love Chanel's Ombre Premiers, and these two are just two more added to my collection. I wanted to go over the first one that I swatched, which is Ultra Flesh number 838, and this one is a very peach color, and for someone that's fair in shade, like for a Caucasian person, this probably is going to be a flesh tone for you, but for me this is more of a peach look, and it will mute out my lid, and I can use this almost the same way that I use one of my MAC paint pots, and I think it is what is that paint pot called? Girly, I think that's the name of it. And I can use this one the same way that I can use that one and use it underneath my eyeshadow, or I can put this on and I don't know that I can put this on by itself because it is so light, but underneath something it will be amazing. It's beautiful. It does have a little bit of sheen to it, but it's so not really there that it almost looks like it's matte. But I don't feel like this is matte. I feel like this has a sheen to it, but I haven't put it on my eyes yet, so I don't know. The next one that I swatched is called Vert Metal, and this is number 836. And you guys, this is like a true forest green. This is so pretty, and it looks like it has like gold in it, gold specks in it. I really feel like there's like some kind of gold glitter or something in it, but it's so fine that you can barely tell that the gold is there, but it's so beautiful. Now when I got this in the mail, I really was about to be upset, and I was like, I have a color that looks almost identical to this, and it is called Verderame. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, but that's what I call it, Verderame number 824. But when I swatched this one next to the True Green, because this one is this a Kelly? No, this isn't a Kelly. When it's next to the Vert Metal, it looks more blue. I'll show it to you guys. So if you can see here is Vert Metal and this is Verderame, and this one is more on the blue side, and this one right here is more green and gold. It's so beautiful. They all are beautiful. They all are. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, that's what I bought of the collection. I really was thinking, should I go back and get some of those eyeshadow sticks? I have a lot of eyeshadow sticks, you guys, and I don't use them. So that should be my answer. No, don't go get something that you're not even using right now. But I don't have any Chanel ones. Maybe the Chanel ones would be different. I don't know. I don't know because I haven't tried it. Maybe I should try it. If I get it and don't use it, then that's a waste. So yeah, I'm on the fence. But yeah, so that was all that I got from this collection, you guys. I really love the two items that I picked up. I think that if Chanel puts out an Ombre Premier, I'm gonna pick it up regardless. I don't think I would have been upset with, yeah, I'm glad I picked it up. All right, until next time, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside